Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to freeze rows and columns in Google Sheet. So let's start. First of all, you can see here I am in Google Sheets. So over here you can see if I wanna add datas over here, then my title bar is missing. So to freeze this, all you need to do is tap on any cells of this, then go over here to view. Then you can find here freeze. Click on this freeze and you can choose one row. You can see here our row is freezed. Also we can freeze this column. You can see here our column is not freezed. To freeze this column, all you need to do is select any cells. Then go to this view and freeze and tap on one column. You can see here this column is also freezed. In this way we can freeze rows and columns in Google Sheets. So if you find this helpful, please like, share and subscribe.